have come back with a new recipe. New day, it has to be a new recipe, and today it is grilled cheesy bites. So, guys, let's get ready and see how do we make it, and you will really love it. Do try it. We are back in the kitchen and let's start the making of our grilled cheesy bites. And इसके लिए जो जो ingredients चाहिए मैं आपको पहले ही दिखा देती हूँ. So for this we need some capsicum, and this is the paneer cubes. I've cut them small. This is onion, tomatoes, some grated cheese, corns, and olives and parsley are for seasoning. Then we're gonna add some mustard sauce in this. Then some tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. I'm making just like for 2 people, so this is the quantity which I will mention. So now let's start it. And for making this, सबसे पहले हमने इसमें 1 स्पून मेयोनीज ले ली है एंड टोमेटो केचप. मेयोनीज you can skip if you're on the diet, otherwise everything is healthy in it. Then we are adding this small finely cut paneer cubes. Then a little bit of capsicum, and there goes the onion, and this is the tomatoes. We'll mix it, and then some corns, and this cheese goes into this. This also you can increase or reduce the quantity according to your taste. And then we shall add some oregano. I'm adding this oregano spices. It's like I like the taste, so I'm adding. There you go. Yes, it's done. Add some olive oil, like just I'm adding only 1 teaspoon, less than 1 teaspoon. And now we will mix all this. And now I've added some mustard sauce into this, and now we will mix it more properly. मस्टर्ड सॉस से इसमें एक बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर आ जाता है. अब ये हमारा जो ऊपर जो हमने बनाया था मिक्सचर वो रेडी हो चुका है. अब आपकी मर्जी है, लाइक गार्लिक लोफ, मल्टीग्रेन लोफ सब कुछ आते हैं, बट सिंस आई एम ऑन डाइट आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्राउन ब्रेड विच आई फाइंड मोर लाइक easily accessible. हर टाइम हमारे घर पे होती है, and we can make it in small quantities also, because whenever we buy, the reason behind this is अगर हम लोफ लेते हैं तो वो बहुत ही जल्दी it goes hard, so that's why I'm using brown bread, and it's very easily available at home only, but the flavors remain the same. And of course जब आपके घर पे गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, then you can obviously go for it, the loaf, and you can cut it in a slanting way, and you can make real cheesy bites like that. And now we shall go further. अब हम ये जो हमने बनाया है मिक्सचर, इसको हम अपने ब्रेड स्लाइस पे ऐसे लगा देंगे. हमने जो अपना ओवन है वो मैंने प्री हीटिंग पे लगा दिया था, एंड एट 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर 15-20 मिनट्स. तो अब वो प्री हीट हो चुका है. सो जैसे हमने ये जो अपना मिक्सचर बनाया था ये हमने ब्राउन ब्रेड पे लगा दिया है. And now we shall season it with some olives, as I love them, and my daughter is also helping me in this. Since I like more, I'm gonna add this more. And now we'll put some parsley on it, and that's enough. And now we are going to put this in our oven to grill for 10 minutes. Please open it and hear it.
I'm so scared, Mom.
And here it goes inside. ये हमारे अब मैं बाहर निकाल रही हूँ ग्रिल चीज़ी बाइट्स. दे आर रेडी. ये रेडी हो चुका है हमारा ग्रिल चीज़ी बाइट. अब हम इसके जो है 4 पीसेस भी कर सकते हैं. देखिए हम इसे इस तरह से सर्व कर सकते हैं. ये रेडी हमारे ग्रिल चीज़ी बाइट्स. एंड अब हम इसे हाउ इट इज़. So crunchy, so soft and juicy. It's really yummy. Do try this recipe and let me know how did it came out. Thank you.